Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade, like always. So let's get started. First of all, we are having a high impact news at 6 p.m. and you already know what to do. So let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart, and what we can see is that the price is sweeping the extreme highs, and even here we can see that the price has swept. We still have 13 days left, but it is sweeping right now the extreme high, and the previous candle has closed within this candle's range, so it's kind of a weakness sign into the price right now. So let's move to the weeklies now. As we move into the weeklies, what we can see is that the price respected this FVG and moved into the upside direction, and then this became a vulnerable high, and then the price moved up. So currently we are sweeping this high, and nothing much is clear over here. So let's move to the dailies. As we move into the dailies, what we can see is that we are having this unmitigated FVG into the price, and we sprung up, and the price is within this particular candle's range. So I'm anticipating that most likely we can come down to mitigate this daily FVG. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hours, what we can see is that we are having this BPR into the price. So I'm anticipating that this high will be a weak high for the price, or the liquidity. You can say that it could be a liquidity for the price, and then most likely we can go all the way down to mitigate this daily FVG. So let's move to the 2 hours now. As we move into the 2 hours, what we can see is that this was the swing which was responsible for breaking this high, and the price broke through it. So I'm anticipating that if we are going to go up, then most likely we can possibly react over here, because now it has turned into a relatively strong high. So let's move to the 1 hours now. The 1 hour tells the similar story, but the picture is a bit clear here, because this was a swing which failed to break the high, and then we broke below the low. So this became a relatively strong high because the price took the liquidity of the previous high, and we gave a close into the downward side. So I'm anticipating now that most likely we are going to go up. Let's mark it like this. We are going to go up, mitigate something over here, and then we are going to come down towards the higher time frame POI. This could be one of the scenarios, and if this fails, so we are having this second POI into the price. Actually, it is a BPR. So this could be a reaction, but this will be quite an extreme target for the price. So for now, I'm targeting this because it is having confluence into the higher time frames. So let's delete it. So for today's bias, I have already explained. So I'm anticipating now that we can most likely take the Asia session high into the London session, and then we are going to go down towards the higher time frame POI, that is this daily. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to sweep the Asia high, react from something over here, and then we are going to go down towards the higher time frame POI, that is the daily FVG. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments if you have any doubts or any suggestions. Till then, keep trading and keep learning.